Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Liz, and today I am excited because I am participating in a challenge, and this is called the Fall Tablescape Challenge 2018, and this is hosted by Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner and Kimberly Davis from Diva Designing on a Dime. And what they have asked us to do is just to simply share with you a fall tablescape, but there's a twist. You must include some type of a fall DIY project. So that's what I will be sharing with you today, and I will go ahead and put their information in my description box so that you can click on their video when you're done with mine and show them some love. And there should be a playlist so that you can click on and watch all of the participants who participated in this challenge. So I'm ready to share this with you guys. I'm so excited, and I hope that you will stick around and watch. So without further ado, if you guys are ready, I am ready to share my tablescape and DIY project with you. And enjoy the video. Bye! Welcome to my Fall Tablescape 2018. We're going to first start off in the center here with the table centerpiece. We got this beautiful white pumpkin here with all of these different leaves on here. So pretty. Just love the colors. And it says fall is in the air. And then I have it sitting on a doily and a stand. And then I have all of that in the center, and there's a little plate, like a long plate right here, and it has a nice candle burning. It's a fall candle. I think this pumpkin is so pretty. When I saw it, I was like, I have to buy it. I just love, look at this stem. I just love the way it looks. So pretty. Then moving right along, on the side here, this is my DIY project here. I have two of them. This pumpkin. And here's the other pumpkin. I DIY'd these recently. Added some glass to it, glass pieces. So they are my mosaic pumpkins. And then added some really pretty hydrangea flowers in them. And I think think they turned out really pretty. I'm really liking the way it looks. Just gonna give you an overview of the whole entire table, and then we'll get more into it. Okay, the tablecloth. I love this tablecloth. It is full of leaves and yeah, different types of leaves, different colors. I just think it's really fall. It speaks fall to me. When I saw it, I said, oh wow, this is going to be really nice with the theme that I'm choosing to use, especially the leaves on this pumpkin. Everything just seems to match so nicely. So that's the tablecloth, and my table runner, believe it or not, you guys, you can't see a whole lot of it, but it's white, and there it is right there. It's a curtain. I just picked up one of the curtains that I have in the house, and I just decided to fold it a couple of times and just lay it across the table just like that. It's hidden, so it's not too much that you can see, but this is just a little bit right there, and it's like sheer material, and I have it draped all the way down like that on both sides. And now we're going to first start off here. This is a lot of greenery that I got from outside in my backyard. I had cut a lot of branches of leaves off because I wanted to have this look with all the leaves sitting here, and incorporated the pumpkins right around the sides of it in the center, and pine cones. I'm loving this look. I really like this. This is what I was going for. I had a vision of this type of look in my head, and I said I'm gonna have to try to get some things to you know, bring this look together. So I'm quite pleased with how it turned out. I've got a lot of ceramic pumpkins as well as some soft mesh pumpkins. I'll go around so you can see a little bit. That's a Dollar Tree. No, not Dollar Tree. That's a pumpkin, that white one there. That's a pick. Pumpkin pick, so I just stuck that right down in there, and there is the Dollar Tree pumpkin right there. So I have, you know, different ones and pine cones all throughout all this bush that you see, as well as the other side. Everything is pretty much the same. You may see different pumpkins here and there, like that little cutie pie right there, and the little porcelain one. I love those. Those are my favorite. That's how that looks around there. Okay, we're going to start off again with the placemats, the place settings, I should say. The placemats are mats that I got from Walmart, and I'm going to see if I can pick this up because this is quite heavy. I just want you to see at least one of them. And that one says family. I have the family ones at the heads. And on the back of it says gather. So all of the other place settings I have, like the other four right here, the two there, and the two there, they all say gather. I just turned them around so they can show gather, and then the two heads have the family. And each place setting is the same pretty much, except each one has a different pumpkin. That has a gold pumpkin, and then my beautiful table napkins with this beautiful napkin ring that I got from Totally Dazzled. Her name is Natalie, and if you guys don't know who she is, she has a company and she sells these beautiful brooches, table napkins. She does so many different things. She does tutorials on her channel, and I will link her channel down below in my description box in case you're interested. go over to her channel and please take a look and go to her her information, and you will be able to pick out some wonderful pieces and at great prices. Okay, here's my glassware. They're pretty much the same. I just added some bling wrap around the top and down at the bottom. And then I have these pretty coasters. These are mirrored with gold glitter around it. I think they're so pretty. Some of them are the same and some of them are different. The head here has that one there, and then the other head setting has an octagon shape, and I'll show you that when I get closest to them. Then the other 4 chairs, they just have this regular pretty sparkly one with no mirror. They're just plain. So I also have a charger here. I forgot to mention, a silver charger, a white plate, a white salad plate, and then these cute, adorable bowls. I got these at a 99-cent store. They were $1 each. And when I saw them, I thought of a nice pumpkin going inside of them. So that's why I decided to pick those up. And here is my beautiful gold flatware. I think it's so beautiful. Like I shared before, this used to belong to my grandmother, and I had the pleasure of receiving it. She's no longer here with us, but I am very grateful and thankful to have them. Okay, this one here has that color pumpkin there. You see the gold. This one over here has a silver one, and I love this one because it's so sparkly. And it matches the charger as well as the napkin ring. I just like the way that looks, so sparkly. This is the back of the table, so it pretty much has what I told you it has, the pine cones and all of the pumpkins. And here is that pumpkin. I think that's a really cute pumpkin. I love it. I love the sequins that it has. And the color is just so beautiful. And then here is the last pumpkin. This is at the other head. Silver. Really cute. Here's the other coaster on this side, and it's octagon shaped, so I think that's really cute. And that's it, you guys. This completes my fall tablescape. I hope that you guys really like it. I love it. I think it turned out wonderful. It turned out just as I had imagined. I had like I said earlier, I had a thought in my mind for a lot of leaves and pretty much look nature, you know, with the leaves and the pine cones. That's what I saw in my head, and that's why I decided to go with this look. My table seats 6 people. And then I added a sign on the wall here that says, "Gather together." And again, I love the way it looks. The colors, it complements the table very well. I just wanted to share this, my fall tree. It's in my kitchen, and I just decided to just put some little ornaments on it. I just thought, I've never done anything like that, so I just wanted to just try it and see how it turns out, and turned out cute. I've got some owls here. I love owls. They're my favorite animals for the fall. And I have some bowls, that color there, and that one there. And then I have some different picks. That's a pick right there. I better not touch it because it might fall. And then I have some little leaves. These are picks, and I just, they have like a little twister type of thing around it, so you can just twist it around the leaf here to hold it securely. And there's a red leaf. And then up at the top, I just added some flowers. I think it turned out really cute. I've never done this before, and I just said, let me try something. Well, that's it, guys, for this fall tablescape. I hope you guys like it. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, I would invite you to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and also click the bell right next to it so that you will be notified whenever I upload videos. I thank you, Kim and Kenya, for hosting this collaboration. This is really nice. I really had a lot of fun putting this together. I love doing tablescapes. I think this is one of my favorite things to do. And thank you all for tuning back in, all of my friends. I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you guys for watching this video. And you guys have an awesome day, and I will talk to you guys later and see you in my next video. Bye.